Using a promo code is a great way to save money when purchasing an RDP plan from DigiRDP.
Go to the DigiRDP website and click on the Support menu. Click on the Blog menu from the drop-down list. You will be redirected to the DigiRDP blog page. Click on the Promo tab to find the latest ongoing offers and promotions.
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use promo codes. Go to the DigiRDP website and choose the RDP plan you want to purchase. Let's say you want to purchase the USA Admin RDP number 2 plan. Click on the Buy Now button to begin the checkout process. You will be redirected to the configuration page where you can choose the correct configuration for your plan. Once you have selected the correct configuration, click on the Continue button to proceed to the next step. On the next page, you will see a box where you can enter your promo code. Paste your promo code in the box and click on the Validate Code button. If your promo code is valid, you will see a message that says, Promotion Code Accepted. The discount associated with the promo code will be applied to your order. Finally, check the before and after discount price to make sure the promo code was applied correctly. That's it. By using a promo code, you can get a great deal on your RDP plan from DigiRDP. Be sure to check for promo codes regularly to take advantage of the latest offers and discounts.